In this video, we would like to show you how to attach the SwissTrack bike GPS tracker to your bike in just a few simple steps. All you need, apart from the SwissTrack and its included accessories, is a standard SIM card without SIM pin. First, open the SwissTrack by lifting up the cover. Then, open the SIM card attachment, insert the card, and close the SIM card attachment. Finally, close the SwissTrack cover. After that, connect the battery of the SwissTrack with the supplied charger and let it charge for approximately 6 to 8 hours. After charging, the battery will last for 6 months. Next, the SwissTrack cable connections can be prepared. To do this, use the supplied cable harness and first remove the insulation from the ends of the black and red cables. Now you can take the battery connector and connect it to the cable harness by twisting together the two wires of the same color. In order to secure the cables, some insulation tape can be optionally wrapped around the connections. The remaining cables are not required for mounting to a bicycle and can be easily removed using diagonal pliers or scissors. Then, remove the seat from your bicycle and store the battery in the bicycle frame. Afterwards, replace the seat but ensure that the power cord is protruding. You can then attach the SwissTrack under the bike seat and connect it to the power supply. The installation is finished. Now, install the available app for iOS or Android on your smartphone. To log into the app, enter the IMEI number of your tracker and the numbers 1 through 6 as your password. You can already access the many functions of the app and keep an eye on the location of your bike at all times. Alternatively, you can use the same access data to log on to the SwissTrack online tracking portal from any computer or tablet. As you can see, it is very simple to mount the SwissTrack bike GPS tracker on your bike.